What if I told you that one of Southeast Asia's most successful economies is often overlooked by the world? When people think about rich Asian countries, they usually mention Singapore, Japan, or South Korea. But very few people talk about Malaysia, even though it has modern cities, strong industries, global trade influence, and a rapidly growing economy. So why is Malaysia richer than most people think? What makes this country quietly successful while staying under the global spotlight? In today's video, we will explore the hidden strengths behind Malaysia's wealth, from natural resources and global trade to technology, tourism, and smart economic planning. By the end of this video, you might see Malaysia in a completely different way. Welcome to Travel Decoded, the channel where we explore countries, cultures, and global trends that shape our world. If you enjoy discovering interesting facts about different countries, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our growing community. Now let's decode why Malaysia is richer than people think. Strategic location for global trade. One of Malaysia's biggest advantages is its strategic geographic location. The country sits along the Strait of Malacca, one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. Every year, a huge portion of global trade passes through this region, connecting Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Because of this, Malaysia has become an important hub for shipping, logistics, and international commerce. Major ports like Port Klang and Penang Port handle massive volumes of cargo, helping Malaysia stay deeply connected to the global economy. Abundant natural resources. Malaysia is also rich in natural resources. The country has significant reserves of oil and natural gas, which contribute billions of dollars to its economy. Malaysia is also one of the world's largest producers of palm oil, a product used in everything from food to cosmetics and industrial goods. Additionally, the country has valuable minerals, timber, and agricultural resources that support both exports and domestic industries. A powerful manufacturing industry. Malaysia is not just a resource-based economy. It has built a strong manufacturing sector, especially in electronics and technology. Many global companies produce semiconductors, computer components, and electrical equipment in Malaysian factories. In fact, Malaysia is one of the world's important players in the global semiconductor supply chain, which powers everything from smartphones to cars. This manufacturing strength generates jobs, exports, and technological development. Rapidly growing technology sector. In recent years, Malaysia has been investing heavily in the digital economy and technology innovation. Cities like Kuala Lumpur and Cyberjaya have become growing tech hubs in Southeast Asia. Startups, digital companies, and multinational firms are increasingly choosing Malaysia for investment. Government programs supporting digital transformation and entrepreneurship are helping Malaysia build a more modern and knowledge-based economy. Strong tourism industry. Tourism is another major contributor to Malaysia's wealth. The country offers an incredible mix of modern cities, tropical islands, rainforests, and cultural heritage. Destinations like Kuala Lumpur, Langkawi, Penang, and Sabah attract millions of visitors each year. Tourism supports hotels, restaurants, transportation, retail, and many local businesses, generating billions of dollars in revenue. Cultural diversity and economic strength. Malaysia's diverse population has also played an important role in its success. The country is home to Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous communities, each contributing to business, culture, and innovation. This diversity creates strong connections to different global markets and encourages international trade and investment. Stable economic policies. One reason Malaysia has maintained steady growth is its relatively stable economic policies. Over the years, the government has implemented long-term development strategies aimed at industrialization, education, and infrastructure development. These policies have helped Malaysia transition from an agriculture-based economy to a modern industrial and service-based economy. Affordable yet developed. One interesting aspect of Malaysia is that it offers a high standard of living at relatively affordable costs. Compared to many developed countries, housing, transportation, and food are still reasonably priced. At the same time, Malaysia has modern infrastructure, advanced healthcare facilities, and well-developed cities. This balance makes Malaysia attractive for both investors and expatriates. Strong international trade network. Malaysia is highly connected to global markets through trade agreements and partnerships. The country exports products to major economies such as China, the United States, Japan, and Europe. Electronics, palm oil, petroleum products, and machinery are among its top exports. These strong trade relationships help maintain economic stability and growth. Growing middle class. Another sign of Malaysia's increasing prosperity is its expanding middle class. More Malaysians now have access to higher education, professional careers, and better living standards. This growing middle class also boosts domestic consumption, supporting businesses, retail industries, and local entrepreneurship. Infrastructure and urban development. Malaysia has invested heavily in roads, airports, railways, and urban development. Modern highways connect major cities, while international airports make travel easy and efficient. Urban areas like Kuala Lumpur feature skyscrapers, shopping malls, and advanced transportation systems that reflect Malaysia's economic progress. A quiet but consistent success story. Unlike some countries that dominate global headlines, Malaysia's development has been more steady and quiet. Instead of sudden economic booms, the country has focused on long-term stability, balanced growth, and gradual modernization. This approach has allowed Malaysia to build a resilient economy that continues to expand year after year. So, why is Malaysia richer than people think? The answer lies in a combination of factors: its strategic location, natural resources, strong manufacturing industry, growing technology sector, booming tourism, and stable economic policies. Malaysia may not always dominate global headlines, but its steady progress has quietly built one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic economies. For travelers, investors, and curious observers, Malaysia offers far more than many people realize. And perhaps that is exactly what makes Malaysia so fascinating, a country whose success story continues to unfold. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed learning something new today, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and support Travel Decoded for more videos exploring interesting countries and global stories. See you in the next video.